Hello, I am going to lead you in what I'm calling Maha Namaskar. Maha means great, and Namaskar is salute or when you welcome someone, it's a salutation. So when we talk about sun salutations, Namaskar is the word that refers to the salutation, and Surya is the word for sun. So in Sanskrit, sun salutations are Surya Namaskar. And I'm calling this Maha Namaskar because I am going to include one round of the Maha Mantra with each pose. The reason why I'm doing it is multiple. One, the Maha Mantra is the great mantra, and it's very important to repeat all of the time. And second, when you do your Surya Namaskars or your sun salutations, you really should hold the pose for a long period of time. Or for, I don't want to say long period of time, but there's a tendency for people to just run through it. And especially in Western society, sun salutations tend to be very quick moving. And that is not the original intention. There's, of course, intention with everything, but the original intention of yoga is to hold the pose. And so we will be holding each pose for the length of the Maha Mantra. And I will be giving the verse for the Maha Mantra will be in the description. And as always, you do not have to do what I am doing. You can modify. So if I hold a plank for a long period of time, you can have your knees on the ground. So you always do whatever is best for you. So I'm going to start standing with the hands at the heart center. I always have my big toes touching and my heels slightly apart. That is Ashtanga style, and I mix and match a lot of the lineages of what I do. So I am going to move up a little bit closer to the top of the mat to begin. So I am going to start the Maha Mantra with my hands in Anjali Mudra. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. I'm going to do a forward fold. You can just hang. I am going to hook my toes with my first two fingers, but you can just hang. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Now I'm going to lower in a traditional chaturanga, knees to the ground, elbows to the ground, chin and chest to the ground, and then I scoop forward into my cobra. There is no weight on my hands. It's all my back muscles that are lifting me up. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Now that was only one half of a sun salutation. I typically do 12 rounds or 24 halves every day. So I invite you to continue on your own, and please put comments down below. And if you're interested, I will do other versions of Surya Namaskar with the Maha Mantra as well. So thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe from my heart to yours. Namaste.